fam, welcome back to our channel. It is someone's birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday. How old are you today?
7.
So we're celebrating this girl's birthday today. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can I open up my present now?
She's been dying to open up her present that's sitting on the counter now because I told her that she had to wait until we started the day, until we started vlogging, until we just started going, you know? And she's already asking to open her present, so I guess, girl, go grab it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can.
Start on the corner, baby.
Okay.
There you go.
Bubba picked her present.
It's a babysitter.
Well, let her open it.
I know.
God.
I got this clock radio.
I got you a clock radio.
It's a clock radio.
I got you clock radio.
Clock radio, thanks for telling.
It's a babysitter. I picked it for you. Thank you, Papa.
Aw, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can Sissy play with it now?
We're gonna go to
Not
breakfast.
yet. We're gonna go to breakfast. Look at your hair.
Yeah.
It's still wet.
Yeah, it's way wet.
He's all, yeah.
He don't dry his hair.
Let's see. What is it?
It has a real sound too.
It
It's
has
a
real
daycare.
sand. Oh, it has real sand?
Yeah.
Oh, it does. That's cool. It's like kinetic sand, huh?
Yeah, it's a daycare. And there's a playground over there. And look, that piece goes here. Ooh.
And he said that he can build it for you if you would like him to build it for you.
Yes, please.
Not right now. We're going to breakfast still.
Okay, should we go get some breakfast?
Yeah.
So then I just have to.
What'd you get, kiddo?
I got the birthday pancakes and bacon.
You
I
did?
got
Oh, I got
birthday
sprinkle on my bacon.
and
did?
sausage.
Nice.
I got birthday pancakes and sausage.
Makes it even better.
Someone's not
You having a
gonna
good
be
day?
right
Yes.
now. Just
So,
kidding.
so.
Just kidding.
Just leaving Denny's. It was so good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I got the birthday pancakes.
And they were so good, huh?
Yeah.
What did you get? You got some birthday pancakes too, huh?
And sausage.
And sausage.
And
It's
I got
not even your
bacon
birthday,
with
dude.
mine.
I know. What, baby?
And I got bacon with mine.
You
on the
did.
side.
And you ate all your bacon, huh?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Now where are we going? Where do you want to go now?
The Halloween store.
Okay. We'll see you guys at the Halloween store. Finally made it, huh?
Yeah, look.
We are here. We made it. They're both really excited.
Mommy, look.
Three hours later.
How's the mall, girl?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Here, you can take that off. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Now, Mommy and Daddy have something else planned for you.
What?
Well, you'll have to see.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Whoa.
Hi.
We're currently walking to the restaurant because the place that she picked is extremely packed. There's no parking. We're making that journey.
The birthday Good boy, No, don't do mommy's dances here.
Shut up.
Look at Mommy.
More Barbies. She just got a Barbie set today. A babysitter Barbie set, so that one will go perfect. Oh, nice.
Look at Mommy.
Open them up.
Pretty. I know. Open them up so you can see what they look like.
Nice.
Barbie Aubrey. It's Curly Susie.
That's cute. I like that. That color. Both of those colors. I know, and I've been trying to like get her stuff like that.
I like this one. I like this color.
Those colors. Nice.
Do you want to open ours now? Might as
Exactly,
well.
girl.
What do you say to Grandma?
Boogie, what do you tell Grandma?
You're welcome, baby girl. I love you.
Oh my goodness, what do you say?
Welcome, girly.
Diaper bag.
Look at that.
How cute! We were gonna get that one, but we couldn't find it. Papa wanted to get her that. Yeah.
You have to go with me. You want me to get her? You sure?
Mommy, look at it.
So cute, baby.
Oh, PJ.
What do you say?
Hey, me too. You give me my necklace back though.
Huh?
Give me my necklace back though.
Not yet. Not done wearing it.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boggy Bella.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Who's ready to cut this cake?
I will cut the cake right now.
Highly underpaid, I ain't rich, never bumming, flipping nothing into something. Jumped off the cliff, I ain't clocking in. Diary of a broke rapper, no trapping, stacking up these songs like the brick.